You're watching Twinneration X.
Welcome back to Twinneration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're both here with Allure.
Yay! Did we actually get ours at the same time or no? I got mine, was it yesterday or the day before? And then my kids,
I don't know.
my bratty children, no, they're cute. But they told me like, yeah, Mom, you got it like the day before, whatever that day was. And so I was like, no, why don't you guys tell me when I get something? So I was kind of happy. It's really pretty. Both
Really
get
pretty. One of the ones we both get. So,
but the inside shows you what you're getting as far as I know still. So that's all the stuff we'll be showing you guys in a second.
and
One
then
last page.
under that looks like this. We always try to make these
I'm
nice
wondering
and
how much
short.
of this I'm gonna like. Okay, so let's do the big one. This is Glass Skin Refining Serum by Peach and Lily. I love serums. Serums, I go through the fastest, fat and moisturizer. Hopefully you can see that there.
And I'll pull out the next thing, which is it OSEA? Is I say it?
Almost like Hosea.
Or
I have no
Osea,
idea. I have no idea.
Ocean Cleanser, Mineralize and Balance, or Plus Balance. How do you say the company name though? I don't want to say it wrong. Like we always do. Yeah, or OC. It says OCMalibu.com right there, so maybe it's just OC.
Oh, maybe because it's capital S. That's true. This is Botanic. Is that what it says? Botanic Beauty. And this Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. This can go in a giveaway for me. I don't really use balms if they're like a colored balm, like a cream. I don't use them. So that can go in a giveaway. Yay. And then this tells you about Peach and Lily's little thing right here. You probably can't see that because it's far away. But yeah.
Here's an acne cover patch. Cover blemishes invisibly. Is that what it says?
I'm excited about that. Because I usually don't have skin that breaks out. But as you can see, I've got like a little something right there. So that's exciting. And then I know this little tiny one. Did we get different products?
Oh, we did! Yay!
Oh, weird. This is Ice by Sunday Riley Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. I feel like this is good for putting on before makeup, like it's got dimethicone or something. But I still haven't used my other one. Like it's, I don't know, because of like whatever it contains. I don't know if I'll use it or not.
And then I have Dr. Jart. Do you have the plus on there, Dr. Jart Plus? And how do you say this? Psychopara, Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. That's what I got in mine.
And then we have one last thing, right? If I'm not mistaken. This is Lactose, I'm saying that, Charcoal Pore Care. Daily Skin Mask. I'll show the back, she's showing the front. Is it one that you can leave? It says it detoxifies and tightens pores.
Yeah, you can pat it into the skin at the end.
Okay. I get so many masks though. I think that was something Ipsy. I saw my survey today. I said like, do you like it? I'm like, not really. Like, I mean, for giveaways, sure, but not really. But that was it for this box, and I kind of like what we got for the most part. So if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about future giveaways like the one I will link below. We're going on vacation soon. Hopefully we can film some of that, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.